How to get solution to Spellcheck and Microsoft Editor not working on your Outlook device. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're having this trouble whereby your spell checker or such Microsoft Editor is not working on Outlook, here is a solution that you can try on. To get started with, open your Microsoft Outlook and launch it on your computer. After that, click on the View tab and then access the View settings. Once you tap on View settings, it will open another box. From there, select on General. Now in the General settings, scroll down to find Privacy and Data section. Click on Privacy settings and enable Connected Experiences. In the Privacy settings, you have this option Turn on experiences that analyze content and turn on experiences that download online content. Make sure both of this option is turned on. Once you have made the changes, click on Close to access the privacy settings, close the View settings windows, close the Microsoft Outlook completely and reopen it. And this way you have fixed the issue. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.